Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're tackling a subject that's really reshaping how we all approach projects. Artificial intelligence.
Yeah, it's definitely moved beyond just buzzwords.
Totally. I mean, this isn't just some future thing. It's a real tangible force now. The AI market hit, what, USD 184 billion valuation in 2024.
A huge number.
And experts are predicting it'll balloon to USD 826 billion by 2030. Let's just pause on that for a second.
Right.
That kind of exponential growth, it signals a fundamental shift, and project management is, well, it's right in the thick of it.
Absolutely. It's actually quite remarkable how quickly AI is moving from just possibility to becoming a practical toolkit for project managers.
Yeah.
We're seeing this evolution play out almost in real time across loads of different platforms.
Exactly. So our goal today is basically to give you, whether you're just fascinated by new tech or you're actively managing projects day to day, a clear picture of how AI is changing the game.
Kind of a shortcut.
Think of it like that, yeah. Your express route to understanding the core insights, the hurdles, and, the actual ways AI is being used in project management today.
And it's important to remember, if we look at the bigger picture, AI isn't just offering minor tweaks here and there.
No.
It's really impacting the very core of how projects are, conceived, planned, executed. It touches everything from the really mundane tasks up to high-level strategic decisions.
So our exploration today, looking at our sources, it seems to highlight three sort of key areas where AI is making really significant waves.
Okay.
First, there's the automation of those routine, maybe time-consuming processes.
Right, the grunt work.
Pretty much. Second, the ability to provide much more advanced tracking, giving us deeper insights into project progress, potential pitfalls, that kind of thing.
Seeing around corners a bit more.
Exactly. And third, fostering more effective, more seamless collaboration among team members. It's almost like embedding this incredibly efficient, insightful assistant right into your workflow.
It's interesting, too, when you consider the timeline of this integration. It might feel like AI and project management just appeared overnight.
Yeah, it does feel fast.
But there's actually been a clear and frankly, rapid progression.
That's a great point. And that timeline, it really underscores the speed of adoption. Asana was pretty early, right? They introduced their intelligence suite back in October 2023.
They jumped in relatively early.
Then, just in 2024, ClickUp launched ClickUp Brain.
Right.
And then this year, 2025, Monday.com rolled out some major AI enhancements. That quick succession, it just highlights how aggressively these platforms are embracing AI.
And what's particularly noteworthy, I think, is the diverse approaches these platforms are taking.
How so?
Well, some seem to be prioritizing streamlining those repetitive tasks we mentioned. Others are focusing more on delivering enhanced analytical capabilities. And some are really geared towards improving how teams interact and coordinate.
Okay, let's zoom in on those capabilities then. Starting with automation. This feels like where AI really starts to, pay dividends by freeing up valuable time.
Definitely.
We're talking about AI taking over those repetitive tasks that can just really slow a project down.
Precisely. I mean, just consider the sheer volume of admin work that's often involved in project management. AI is increasingly handling many of those aspects.
Like task assignment, for instance. Lots of these AI tools, ClickUp is one, but even general AI apps, they can automatically assign tasks based on someone's skills and availability.
Right.
It just eliminates that often tedious manual delegation process.
And this goes beyond just distributing work. It's about smarter resource allocation, really. AI can analyze who's best suited and actually has the capacity for a task at a given time. That leads to much more efficient workflows.
Then you've got status reports and meeting summaries, often a huge time sink for PMs.
Oh, yeah.
Tools like ClickUp Brain and Asana, with its smart status updates, can automatically generate these. They pull key info from tasks, milestones, risks. Imagine the time that gets freed up.
That's a substantial reduction in administrative overhead. It lets project managers focus on the more strategic stuff, the less transactional parts of their job.
And it's not just about looking back, is it? We're also seeing AI step in to help with content creation. Things like drafting emails, project briefs.
Yeah, getting started.
ClickUp has its AI writer, and Wrike apparently has features for generating briefs too. It's like having an AI assistant to get your documentation rolling.
And what's interesting there is how AI can provide that initial framework, right? It offers a solid foundation for these vital project documents, saving valuable time and effort right at the beginning.
Some tools are even getting into prediction. Reich, for instance, apparently offers the capability to predict potential project risks.
That's a big step.
Yeah, that's a significant move towards truly proactive project management.
That ability to sort of anticipate potential problems before they escalate, that's incredibly valuable for keeping projects on track and minimizing negative impacts.
And for the day-to-day stuff, managing schedules and workflows, tools like ClickUp and Motion are using AI to suggest the most efficient timelines and task sequences.
It's like having an AI consultant just focused on optimizing your plan.
Exactly.
And, when we think about individual productivity, those AI-driven calendar assistants like Reclaim.ai and Clockwise, they can automate personal time management, task scheduling,
Yeah.
making sure individuals are using their time effectively within the project.
Even setting up a project is getting an AI boost. Asana Smart Projects can apparently generate a whole project structure from just a simple description.
Wow.
And Monday.com can learn from past project interactions to build automated workflows. It's almost like the AI is learning how your team likes to work.
What's fascinating there is how these tools are becoming more adaptive. They're learning and adjusting to how teams actually operate, rather than just imposing rigid structures.
And the scope of this automation just keeps expanding. There's this tool, DART, described as AI native.
Yes, I've heard of that one.
It sounds like it provides really deep automation across a whole range of functions, automatically filling task properties, generating subtasks, building roadmaps, creating reports, even drafting PRDs, product requirements docs.
That sounds incredibly comprehensive.
It does, suggesting that AI is just fundamental to its design.
Yeah, that term AI native implies AI isn't just bolted on, right? It's woven into the core architecture. It impacts how everything works.
Okay, let's maybe highlight some specific tools and their automation strengths quickly. ClickUp, with its AI Brain and AI Writer, offers a pretty broad range. And their free tier even includes some automation, though the AI usage is limited, like a trial 25 uses or something. But they do give 100 free automations, which is actually quite decent for basic workflows.
Yeah, but it's important, like you said, for users to be aware of those free tier limits, especially if they plan to lean heavily on the AI features.
Definitely. Then there's Asana. They also boast impressive AI through their AI Studio for custom agents and smart workflows. But it's worth noting, Asana AI is generally a paid feature.
That's a common model, isn't it? The more advanced AI capabilities often being the key differentiator for the paid tiers.
Seems like it. Reich's work intelligence that seems focused on generating briefs, to-do lists, helping with brainstorming, creating reports, even prioritizing tasks, sounds quite versatile.
And Reichs, they've been in the project management space for a long time. They likely have a pretty rich data set to train their AI models effectively.
Good point. Dart, as we mentioned, really embraces AI from the ground up, and its free tier allows up to 4 users.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. Excellent for smaller teams wanting to explore this AI-driven automation without a big upfront cost.
That lower barrier to entry could make Dart pretty attractive for teams specifically wanting to leverage AI, yeah.
We also touched on those AI calendar assistants, Reclaim.ai and Clockwise.
Yeah.
They focus on automating personal time management, task scheduling.
All right, more individual focus.
Reclaim.ai's free tier has some limits on integrated apps, and Clockwise's free plan is just for individuals, but they can be powerful tools for optimizing, your most precious resource, time.
And these tools really underscore how AI can optimize not just the big project timelines, but also the individual productivity within those projects.
All right, let's shift gears a bit. Let's talk about enhanced project tracking. This is where AI analyzes all that project data to give real-time insights and even predict future outcomes.
This analytical power is, I think, a fundamental advantage of bringing AI into project management.
Yeah.
It moves beyond just recording what happened to providing actionable intelligence.
Exactly. AI can spot subtle patterns in the data that, a human might easily miss. This lets it predict potential delays or those dreaded bottlenecks. This is kind of a general benefit people talk about, and Forecast specifically highlights this capability.
And that proactive identification of potential roadblocks. That can lead to significant savings, both time and resources, down the line.
And making sure resources are allocated effectively. AI can recommend optimal distribution. Again, a widely recognized benefit. And Forecast emphasizes this too. It's like having an AI strategist helping balance the team's workload.
Yeah, efficient resource allocation is just critical for staying on budget and hitting deadlines.
We already mentioned Rake's risk prediction, but Asana also offers proactive risk prediction. It really seems like identifying problems before they happen is a key focus for AI here.
And this proactive approach to risk management, moving away from just reacting to issues, that represents a significant step forward in project management practices.
For getting that quick, comprehensive overview of project status, AI-powered dashboards and summaries are becoming way more common. Asana Smart Summaries are a perfect example.
Yeah, no more wading through endless updates.
Exactly, just get the high-level view.
These concise AI-generated overviews let stakeholders quickly grasp the project's health without needing to dive into every single detail.
And if you need to visualize data, Asana Smart Charts can generate them based on simple, natural language queries. Just type what you need, basically, and a chart appears.
That's remarkably user-friendly.
Isn't it?
That natural language interface really democratizes data analysis. It makes it accessible to more people without needing specialized skills.
ClickUp offers its AI Knowledge Manager. It acts like an intelligent search engine for all your project info, providing contextual data when you need it, like having an instant project encyclopedia.
That ability to quickly pull up relevant info within the project context can seriously boost efficiency and lead to faster, more informed decisions.
Even fundamental stuff like identifying task dependencies and potential blockers can be handled by AI, which Dart demonstrates. This
Wow.
helps keep things flowing smoothly, prevents those unexpected delays from overlooked connections.
Yeah, understanding those intricate relationships between tasks is just crucial for effective scheduling and execution.
So thinking about specific tools for tracking, Asana really does stand out with smart summaries, smart status updates, smart charts, real-time risk detection. It's a very comprehensive suite.
Asana's early and sustained investment in AI seems to have paid off with a broad array of tracking features.
ClickUp's AI Knowledge Manager and AI Project Manager also help a lot with automated updates and getting information efficiently. Streamlines the tracking process.
And ClickUp's whole philosophy, being an all-in-one platform, means their tracking features are likely tightly integrated with everything else they offer.
Rake, as we noted, offers that key AI-powered risk prediction. That could be a major plus for managing complex, maybe high-stakes projects.
For organizations dealing with tricky dependencies and potential challenges,
Yeah.
that predictive risk analysis is invaluable for proactive mitigation.
Forecast, with its AI analytics, seems to focus on real-time insights and analyzing historical data to spot risks and budget issues. Sounds like it has a strong financial angle.
Forecast's specialization in resource and financial management makes its AI particularly well-suited for those really crucial elements of successful project delivery.
And Dart, again, highlights intelligent task management, AI-generated roadmaps, real-time progress tracking, emphasizing its deep AI integration across the board.
Dart's AI native design suggests that sophisticated tracking is just seamlessly embedded in the whole platform experience.
Okay, now let's turn to the third crucial area. Improve team collaboration. How is AI helping teams work together better, coordinate more effectively?
Collaboration is so often the linchpin of successful projects, isn't it? And AI has the potential to ease many of the communication and coordination headaches teams often face.
Like running efficient meetings, that's a frequent challenge.
Tell me about it.
AI can help by generating agendas beforehand and even summarizing the discussions afterward. This is a general benefit we're seeing. Tools like ClickUp Brain, Notion AI offer this. No more struggling to capture meeting minutes.
And that automated summarization ensures key decisions, action items, they're accurately recorded and easy for everyone to find, even if they miss the meeting.
AI can also give team members relevant information right when they need it. ClickUp's AI Knowledge Manager is a great example, again making data easily discoverable within the project.
That cuts down significantly on time spent just searching for stuff, letting people stay focused on their main tasks.
We're also seeing AI helping with content creation, like collaborative document drafting, another general benefit, and Notion AI really stands out here. It can help teams get initial ideas down quickly.
Yeah, AI can act as a sort of co-author, helping overcome writer's block and streamlining that often iterative process of team content creation.
A fundamental part of collaboration is just shared task visibility, right? Knowing who's doing what. AI often enhances this through features highlighting priorities, dependencies.
Transparency is paramount for good collaboration, and AI can definitely play a big role in boosting that visibility across the team.
Asana has a feature called Smart Chat. It lets you ask questions about your projects just using natural language. Need to know the status of task X or who's on it? Just ask the chat.
That conversational interface makes it much easier for team members to get the info they need without clicking through complex menus or searching different views.
And if you need help rephrasing or clarifying a task description, making sure everyone's on the same page, Asana's Smart Editor can help with that. Clear communication is just essential.
Absolutely. Ambiguous task descriptions can lead to errors, misunderstandings, wasted effort. AI can help ensure clarity and precision there.
Looking at specific tools again, Asana, with its Smart Chat, Smart Editor, and AI Studio for custom agents, seems heavily invested in using AI to boost teamwork.
Asana's strong focus on collaboration aligns perfectly with AI's potential to improve how teams interact and work together effectively.
ClickUp's AI Knowledge Manager helps with info sharing, and its AI Rater can contribute to clearer communication by helping draft and refine messages.
By improving both access to information and the quality of communication, AI can significantly enhance overall team dynamics and productivity.
Monday.com uses AI to categorize tasks, compose emails, analyze sentiment in messages, summarize updates. It's quite a broad approach, aiming at various aspects of team interaction.
Monday.com's emphasis on CRM and work management suggests their AI is probably designed to enhance both internal team comms and maybe external stakeholder interactions too.
Cascade offers AI-generated outlines as a starting point for collaborative brainstorming, alongside its real-time collaboration features. It's like AI helps kick off the collaboration with some structure.
Yeah, providing a well-structured starting point can be incredibly helpful for brainstorming and those initial planning stages.
Dart, again with the comprehensive approach, includes AI-generated documents, meeting notes, plus integrations with Slack, Discord, even GitHub. It seems to aim to be a central hub for team interaction.
Dart's extensive integrations really highlight the importance of AI working within the existing communication and workflow tools that teams already use.
Even Trello, in its paid tiers, has AI now. It can summarize card content, extract action items, generate checklists, helps improve clarity on their visual boards.
Those AI features can add a nice layer of intelligence and efficiency to Trello's already intuitive visual system.
And finally, we shouldn't forget the broader trend of OpenAI integration that lets you interact with project systems using natural language across various platforms. It's like having a direct conversation with your PM tool.
That natural language capability has the potential to make these powerful tools significantly more accessible and user-friendly for, well, for everyone, really.
Now, a critical question for many listeners, especially solo folks working in AI, what about free tiers? Can you actually use these AI features without paying a lot?
That's a really pertinent question, because while many platforms offer free plans, the extent of their AI capabilities in those free tiers, well, it varies a lot.
Generally speaking, based on our sources, the more advanced AI stuff, sophisticated content generation, predictive analytics, heavy AI automation, it's often either severely limited or you need a paid subscription.
Yeah, the free tiers usually give you a solid foundation of core PM features, but the AI capabilities are often positioned as the premium offering, the reason to upgrade.
However, there are some tools with free tiers that might be particularly good for solo AI professionals. ClickUp, for instance, offers a pretty generous free plan, unlimited tasks, a decent number of automations.
Right, but the AI is limited.
Right, the AI features come with that limited trial we mentioned. Still, could be a good starting point.
For individual users, or maybe very small teams, yeah, ClickUp's free tier could be a valuable way to explore the platform, even with limited initial AI access.
Asana also has a good free plan, up to 10 users, great for small collaborations, but unfortunately, no AI features in their free offering.
Asana's strategy seems focused on providing robust core features free, with AI being a key differentiator for their paid subscribers.
Trello's free plan is super intuitive for basic task tracking, includes their useful free automation, Butler, but the AI for content generation and stuff, that's paid.
Trello's strength is its simplicity and visual workflow, right? AI adds extra functionality for users who need more advanced features.
Todoist is known for its clean, fast task entry. The free plan covers essential list management, but automation and resource features are limited, and the AI assistant is mostly paid.
Todoist really excels at personal task management, with AI enhancements targeted more towards its premium users.
Cascade is interesting, though. It includes a built-in AI planning assistant, even in its free tier.
Oh, really?
Yeah, although there are daily limits on how many queries you can make, but still, that could be a big plus for solo users needing AI brainstorming or planning help.
That inclusion of AI planning in the free tier definitely makes Tascade a noteworthy option for individuals looking for AI support without paying upfront.
Reclaim.ai, not a full PM tool, but great for personal time management. Its free tier offers core scheduling, though with some limits on integrations. Could be a valuable add-on for solo pros.
Yeah, for solo users juggling lots of tasks and struggling with time allocation, Reclaim.ai could be particularly helpful.
Clockwise, similar idea, AI calendar assistant. Free for individuals, great for scheduling focus time, but again, just focused on calendar tasks, not full project management.
Right, similar to Reclaim, Clockwise concentrates on optimizing that individual daily schedule, maximizing focus time.
So when you think about what solo AI pros really need, flexible task tracking, smart workflow automation, maybe basic resource planning like time and energy aided by AI, there are definitely free options worth looking at.
Absolutely.
But the more advanced, deeply integrated AI capabilities, those generally come at a premium.
Ultimately, the best approach is probably for individuals to really assess their specific needs, figure out which free tier offers the best mix of core features and AI assistance for their workflow.
Makes sense. Finally, let's gaze into the crystal ball a bit. What future trends are we likely to see in AI-powered project management?
Well, the prevailing trend across our sources really points towards an increasingly deep, pervasive integration of AI into all aspects of these tools. This isn't just a temporary wave, it feels like a fundamental evolution.
We can probably expect even more sophisticated predictive analytics, right? Moving beyond just simple risk flags to give much more nuanced, accurate forecasts of project outcomes.
As those machine learning algorithms keep getting better and have access to more data, their ability to predict issues and optimize plans will only improve. Definitely.
Enhanced natural language processing, too, making interactions even more intuitive, more conversational. Imagine just telling your project software what you need it to do.
We are moving towards a future where you can have a seamless, natural dialogue with your project system, manage tasks, get info, gain insights, all through conversation.
And AI is set to become even more tightly woven into the core functions of these platforms. It'll shift from being like add-on features to being essential, underlying components, powering everything.
Yeah, AI will increasingly become the invisible engine driving many features we rely on daily, just seamlessly enhancing our capabilities.
Asana's future roadmap gives a little glimpse of this. They hint at things like predictive project risk alerts, scenario planning for resource shifts using AI insights, AI meeting summaries directly linked to task updates.
Wow.
That sounds incredibly powerful and efficient, doesn't it?
Those kinds of integrated features will give project managers unprecedented levels of foresight, control, and efficiency. It's quite exciting, actually.
And let's not forget that projected explosive growth of the AI market overall, hitting that staggering USD 826 billion by 2030.
Yeah, that number again.
That kind of expansion strongly suggests we'll just keep seeing rapid innovation in AI-powered PM tools. The competition is only going to heat up, which should lead to even more exciting advancements for us, the users.
The ongoing substantial investment in AI research and development will undoubtedly fuel more breakthroughs and new transformative capabilities in this space.
So to kind of bring our deep dive to a close here, it's pretty clear AI is no longer some futuristic concept in project management.
Not at all.
It's here, it's real, and it's fundamentally changing how we manage projects. It's automating routine tasks, providing powerful analytics for tracking and predicting risks, and enabling better, smoother collaboration within teams.
And this transformation is happening across a whole diverse range of tools and platforms, each offering its own unique approach and AI strengths.
So as you explore these AI-driven tools, it's really crucial to think carefully about the specific needs and challenges of your projects and your team. What are your biggest pain points? Where could AI actually have the most significant positive impact for you?
Understanding your specific requirements and goals will guide you in picking the AI tools that best align with your unique workflow and project objectives. Makes total sense.
The potential benefits are substantial, though increased efficiency, more informed, data-driven decisions, enhanced collaboration, it's all within reach through strategically adopting AI.
By thoughtfully embracing AI, project managers and teams can really unlock new levels of productivity, achieve more successful outcomes, and ultimately drive greater value.
And if you've enjoyed this deep dive into AI and project management and want to stay plugged in to the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence, make sure you subscribe to the Before AGI podcast wherever you get your podcasts.
We'll keep exploring this Fascinating, constantly changing world of AI together.
We will indeed. And for even more AI insights, practical tutorials, deeper dives into specific tools and how to use them, definitely check out my YouTube channel, Ian Ochieng AI. That's Ochieng.
Yeah.
You'll find a wealth of info there to help you navigate this tech landscape and put these concepts into practice.
Ian's channel is an excellent resource for seeing practical demos and learning more about the tools and ideas we've talked about today. Highly recommend it.
Thanks. Finally, let's just leave you with this thought. As AI continues its rapid evolution, gets more and more integrated into our daily work, how will it ultimately redefine not just the tasks we do or the teams we work with, but our fundamental relationship with work itself?
That's a big question.
It is something profound to consider as we navigate this increasingly AI-powered future. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.